Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hot mayo sauce. Heat 1 cup neutral oil to 120 degrees F to make warm emulsion, then slowly whisk into 1 whole egg yolk until thick. Add 2 tsp hot sauce, 1 tsp vinegar, salt to taste. Blend in 1 tablespoon melted chili paste for heat and color. Chill briefly to let flavors meld, then adjust acidity and spice before serving with fries or sandwiches. Finish mayo with oils and acids carefully to prevent splitting. Use 1 cup oil and 1 yolk, add oil dropwise at first, then stream once thick. For extra silk, whisk with a stick blender at a 20-second pulse. To add heat, use up to 2 tablespoons hot sauce or 1 tablespoon sriracha, tasting as you go. Store in fridge up to 5 days in a sealed container. Rewarm gently before serving if it feels too stiff. Quick recommendation: if you cook often, treat your feet too and consider darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty for comfort during long kitchen sessions. If you like this helpful guide, please subscribe and like to support more recipes and tips. Check the description for the link and other deals. I've included the sock pick there. Enjoy the cozy feel in the kitchen. Thanks for the support, and now let's get back to the video. Fix split mayo by whisking a fresh egg yolk in a clean bowl, then slowly whisking the broken mayo into the yolk. If mayo is too thick, thin with 1 tsp warm water at a time until desired texture. Adjust seasoning with lemon or vinegar and 1 tsp sugar for balance. Serve at room temperature for best flavor, and always refrigerate between uses to maintain safety and texture, and plan to use within 5 days.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.